making my slime collection. So like, subscribe, and hit that red button. Comment down below what your collection is. And turn on my bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. So first thing I have is my galaxy slime. Put the earbuds in it now. Clear slime. Yes, but that's all.
Fourth quarter, second quarter. Is it second quarter? Or fourth quarter? Or sixth quarter?
So the next one I have is my orange slime. This is 1, 2, 3. That's nuts.
Fumble! And the ball's loose! And the ball's loose!
It's
Fumble! And the lines all the way through the field. Was the water hot?
What?
Yeah. No, it's
How
cold.
much
It's cold.
Okay.
It's cold.
I'm gonna be quiet. Okay. Okay.
I can't read that.
Okay,
Oh my.
okay.
So far. That's so far. Wait. So far there. Throw it. Throw it. Why did you run it?
And the Lions are winners here.
Maybe see what's the score. Yeah, see what's the score. I'm winning. They're losing.
Who's losing?
I'm winning. My dad.
Dad's winning?
No, dad was losing. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm losing. Because I keep winning. What the heck? What the heck?
Okay, sorry. So bye, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.